another 2 minutes for that one.
Mark 5.
I should just give you the socket one with the ring.
Can you please?
Wow.
Wow, so much easier.
You should have given this to me earlier. Dude,
Holy shit.
What?
Look at this.
What the?
What?
Where'd they come from?
Oh, I just heard a bunch of clacking and they were...
What? Yo, these ones are stuck. They can't get up the curb. Damn, this thing is sick. It's so much closer to you. Sparko quick release. NRG hub. This thing is sick. I literally need one of these. So should have no airbag light, right?
yeah.
Should be straight.
No airbag.
Yes. No airbag. Straight. This thing is sick. I love it. Alright, let's see if it's straight.
It's far, huh?
Yeah. Oh shoot. My friend was just installing its quick release steering wheel at my house. He's all finished with that. It looks so sick. And another one of my friends hit me up that he said he needed help with his coilovers on his FRS. So we're just gonna go to his house real quick, help him out, check out his car. It's so sick because it's boosted, so maybe we'll take it on a little test run if he lets me. Hopefully. That'll be my first time ever driving like a boosted FRS, so that should be really sick if we can probably take it out for a spin later. Also, originally what I wanted to plan for today was do a little exhaust comparison with me and my friend, since we both have illegal headers. And I thought that would be a really sick, entertaining video for you guys. You guys have been asking me to post more in the comment section, and I've seen that. I want to post more for you guys and be more consistent on the videos. So that's exactly what I'm trying to do. We're just gonna be filming the events that consist of today, and I hope you guys enjoy. What's up, bro? How are you?
Good, man. You?
Good. Damn. Oh my gosh. Dude, these seats are so sick. Look at all these FRSs. Heck yeah. Which one do you guys take? That one's boosted though. Alright, so I'm grabbing one of my spares for his car because he actually can't drive it because he has a pop tire on one of his stocks. So I actually have 4 stocks at my house. We're just gonna go and grab real quick because we can then take the car out, show you guys what his car is all about. We're gonna throw his car back on the road. Perfect.
Yeah.
Chris, I need one.
You think it's worth it?
What?
The price for one of these? You think it's worth it?
Hell yeah.
Yeah?
Yep.
It's 4 grand.
Damn. So sick. Ooh, you smell that E85? Oh my gosh. That is insane. Bro, I'm in love with these seats. They look so nice. So since we got all the cars out right now, we're actually gonna get some exhaust clips and probably some like flyby stuff. We're just gonna find a spot right now and we'll get some like clips and stuff. This guy is shooting mad flames behind me. I love these back roads. We call it pretty windy roads up here. It's pretty much like a canyon run. I freaking heard your pops from all the way in front.
Really?
Dude, they were so loud.
You,
Fumes got in your eyes?
For real? That's crazy.
Dude, I gotta hear this, dude.
Crazy tires.
Yes.
Really?
And then it went through to my.
Damn.
For real?
Yeah.
Damn, my bad.
Oh my goodness.
The heck? Oh! Oh my gosh! Dude, I seriously can't wait till he takes me on a drive. I've been dying to feel it. Really, I feel like that's what's gonna make me like want to turbo my car. Because for a long time, I've just been pushing it off. Like, I was like, I don't know if it's really worth it. But once I like get in the car, I feel like it'll change my mind fully. Oh my gosh, I literally felt that in my ears. Bruh, oh my gosh. That thing is so fast, oh my gosh. Dude, those pops were crazy.
We lost
Yeah,
traction.
you got it?
Really?
We lost traction.
That thing is huge.
Yeah. Let's go straight.
Yeah, go straight, dude. Imagine your brakes just fail, just right into the lake. Oh.
Damn, dude, sounds so good.
Oh, hey, you want me to go forward?
No, my grill came off.
Oh, your grill. I thought you said your lip. No, dude, I feel so bad.
No, it's okay.
Oh my gosh.
Rip it a second.
Clutch is so...
No!
Oh my... Dude, I barely stepped on it too. Oh my god. Oh. Dude, I need this so bad. I literally need this so bad. Oh my gosh. Imagine with 91, fourth gear, 4,000 RPM.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, damn, dude.
Yeah. What do you say?
Insane, dude. I literally can't even believe it, dude. Oh my gosh. This is JDL, right?
Yeah.
JDL turbo. Alright, so we're leaving the spot now. We're actually gonna fill up with some gas right now and get some food. It's so peaceful. The countryside, the lake. Like you just can't like not think about life like driving like this. It's so peaceful and nice. Love it. Oh, okay, freaking. Oh, what? Dude, you can. He's so far and you can still feel it like on your body. It's crazy. His car officially made me want to turbo my car, no doubt. Knew from the start, dude. I knew from the start. If I were to ever drive his car, it'd make me want to get a turbo. And that 100% did. Gosh, insane, man. Filling up with that corn. Getting some thumbnail action right now. So that's gonna be it for today's video. Really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It was kind of just like a mix-up of a whole bunch of things. Some things that I didn't really plan on happening, but it all made out for a good video, and I honestly enjoyed making this video so much for you guys. I'm so happy I finally got to drive a boosted FRS. I've always wanted to experience what it's like, because I just really didn't believe that it was worth it before. But once I actually drove it, it literally made the biggest difference ever. It feels like a totally different car. Honestly, I think it's so worth it now. I really want to boost my car now, so let me know what you guys think. If you guys want to see some more power in the FRS, my car definitely needs more power. So I'm making this outro on a separate day, but I literally had a blast making that video. That day was so fun. Just everything about it was just so chillin', relaxing, just spending time with some good company. I'm gonna close out the video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.